Friday the 8th of December. It's time for physics fun. A2 physics class, Colonel Frank Seeley. So we've set up a rather disjointed looking capacitor decay circuit. We've got a capacitor here with a very small capacitance and a resistor with a very large capacitance. And I'm monitoring with a multimeter my potential difference across the capacitor. And then what we're doing on the digital oscilloscope, we've set it up so that it monitors the PD, and we can clearly see, and it's a 10-second per division scale on the time axis, on the time base, 500 millivolts on the y-axis, and we can see the capacitive decay curve. So it's just dropped off very quickly, and it's slowly drawing. Now, if we waited long enough, we would find that the RC time for this particular combination is 58.3 seconds. So what you could do is use a data logger and plot a graph on a logarithmic scale. And I think we'll leave it to it now, because it'll take it a very long time. So that's Animated Science. It's Friday Physics Fun.